Hi, this is Sri from TechieTalksAI. In this video, we'll train our model, the vision model, like we saw in the last video, and then export the model and use it in our Scratch application. So that is the fantastic no-code mechanism that we all can use to build our AI-driven games, gesture-based interactions. In the last video, we saw how we could export and use the trained model for gesture-based Arduino control. In this one, we will use it to control Scratch application. So let's start from absolute basic where we will train our model. So visit teachablemachine.withgoogle.com. This is from Google, and choose image project, standard image model. Okay. And in class 1, we will call it open hand, and click on webcam and record open hand. Move your hand around so that it has enough variations. So I have 150 images for training the open hand position. Now this will be fist, and click again webcam, and this time I will show my fist. Make all variations. Okay, so I have 183 images of fist and 150 images of open hand. Now click on training. It's training. You can ignore the advanced tab. Those hyperparameters we will not need to change. It's saying don't switch the tab. Training is on. Note that this entire training happens within our browser. So this is a JavaScript based training. So now here I'm showing open hand. See, 100% confidence. If I tilt my hand, the confidence reduces. And fist. Okay, 100%. Perfect. So what next we will do is we will export this and click on upload my model to get the URL to the model. So here is the model. This is the Google Cloud URL. Make sure that you copy and preserve this URL so that you can use it in your Scratch application. So come to Scratch. So here is the Scratch, and this is not normal Scratch. This is playground.raise.mit.edu website. Okay, so here you need to click on extensions and select Teachable Machine. Then you will see additional blocks being loaded. Click on Use Model, and here paste the URL and ensure that you have the last backslash of the URL. If you copy as it is from the Teachable Machine, you will get the correct URL. Okay, so now here, events, when green flag is pressed, we can load the model. We can also turn the camera on, and transparency will keep it to 50%. So that camera will be 50%. You can even make the transparency 100% so that camera is invisible. We'll keep it at 50%. Now we will also show the prediction here. Okay, so now it's saying, see, loading the model. So camera has come. Okay, model loaded. Now you can look at the prediction. See, open, fist, open, fist. Now what we will do is we will move the sprite based on the gesture. So let's make this sprite pointing to the right side. Okay, so 90 degrees to the right. So it'll move like this. And what we can do is when model detects open hand, we can make the sprite move. Okay, so we will have a forever loop and we will move the sprite 10 steps. But if it is fist, we will not move. So if, and we will put a not, if not, prediction is if not, if prediction is not fist, then only it will move. Okay. If it reaches the other end, we will also, if sensing touching edge, what we will do is motion. If you need a tiny tutorial on Scratch, please come by the comment section. We can make one for you. Okay, set. So if it reaches this side, we will bring it back again to this side. So let's see this. Okay, so sorry, this should be set X. Set X. Okay. See, fist, it will stop. Okay, so think of creative application that you can build with such as gesture-based interaction. And the fantastic thing is you have trained this model. This model is trained based on your images or your gestures. You can use any object, pets, face, fruits, anything that you want. And based on that, you can make the Scratch interact. Okay? So give your valuable comments. See you in another video like this tomorrow. This summer, don't let screens win. Let your child design in 3D, print their creations, and build a real obstacle-avoiding robotic car. Join online or at our Trivandrum Maker Lab. Summer starts April 6th. Book your seat now.